The 2025 Toyota Avalon Hybrid marks a prominent shift for Toyota's flagship sedan, seamlessly blending modern technology with traditional luxury and efficiency. Designed for drivers seeking an elegant yet eco-friendly option, the 2025 Avalon Hybrid embodies sophistication and environmental responsibility. It marks Toyota's latest commitment to sustainable motoring in the luxury sedan segment, offering features that cater to modern needs and future-forward technology. The 2025 Toyota Avalon Hybrid showcases a refined exterior, blending elegance with contemporary design cues. Its sculpted lines, aerodynamic curves, and distinct front fascia give it a commanding presence. The front grille has been slightly redefined with a sleeker, more refined mesh design, enhancing airflow for optimal efficiency. Toyota has optimized the Avalon Hybrid's design to reduce drag, featuring smoother door handles, refined side mirrors, and an integrated rear spoiler. These enhancements contribute to both improved fuel efficiency and a quieter ride. Inside, the Avalon Hybrid offers a cabin that feels both spacious and refined. Toyota has used high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces, leather upholstery options, and fine wood or metal trim. Toyota has prioritized a quiet cabin, using acoustic glass and sound-dampening materials to minimize road noise and enhance the sense of tranquility within the Avalon Hybrid. The Avalon Hybrid is powered by Toyota's latest hybrid synergy drive system, coupling a refined 2.5-liter Atkinson-cycle four-cylinder engine with dual electric motors. This combination delivers an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency, with the Avalon Hybrid producing around 215 horsepower. This setup gives the sedan an agile and smooth performance, with seamless transitions between electric and gasoline power. Enhanced fuel efficiency. Toyota has refined its hybrid system, giving the Avalon Hybrid a combined fuel efficiency rating of approximately 43 to 45 miles per gallon. The Avalon Hybrid's regenerative braking system also captures and stores energy, further improving efficiency. This makes it an ideal choice for city commutes and long-distance drives. EV mode. In certain conditions, the Avalon Hybrid can operate solely on electric power, which is ideal for short distances or navigating congested city streets without consuming fuel. The 2025 Toyota Avalon Hybrid captures the essence of modern luxury with its powerful yet efficient hybrid engine, elegant design, and top-tier technology. It's an ideal choice for drivers who want a high-quality sedan that respects the environment, offering comfort, safety, and a rewarding driving experience in one refined package.